Diytaj Medics. I've got a BMW 5 Series here on a 2006 plate. Just replacing the rear tail light as well as the brake light on the passenger side, but I'm going to show you which one it is first. That's the tail light. And as you can see, the brake light on the passenger side front is not working. As well as the tail light. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's quite a simple procedure if you come in here. Now if you needed a bulb, that's the bulb you need. It's a 382 bulb. It's a single filament bulb. So you lift this up. Make sure you got all of this areas off there. Once you lift that up, you got two clips here, one on this side. So you got a clip here on this side here, and then you should have one on this one, but this one's missing. So all you then do is lift the cover out of the way, and then you push this in, and from the bottom there is another one. You push that up, take the whole thing out. It's this bulb right here, so that's what we're replacing. So we've got the bulb out. The new one, I'll put it somewhere, didn't I? Here it is. Got the new one right here. So what we do, we take the bulb out, put the new one in, so there's only one way they would go. Then slot the whole thing back in there, so there's only one way this would go in as well. So, and another thing, if you want to replace the other bulbs, they're all there as well. If you want to find out what bulbs they are, you can go into the description, there'll be a link there. You can buy it through that link. So I'm not going to put everything back together, it's quite easy when you put it back in as well. I'm just going to check the lights. The side lights on. They're working, and now the brake lights. The brake lights weren't working. If you look on the inside there, the terminal's blown on the inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a bit of clean and put it back together. But I don't think the cleaning is going to do anything. So you're going to need a new cluster. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can clean it with this while the lights are on. Yeah, that's good. Could you just press the brakes for me, please? Sure. So before we put it back together, I'm just going to check, see if the brakes are good. Yeah, that's lovely. So let go of the brakes for a second. So put it back in. Now press the brakes. Now you can see they're both working. To put this back together as well, it's quite simple. So all you do is you slot this bit in first from the top, and then you come round, you slot the bottom in. There is. That's it, and then you put the clips back on. Job done. That's all you had to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know in the message down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Also, if you have a similar problem, all you need is the cluster on the rear. That's all you need. You can find them on eBay or something, you know, or may have a link in the description for it as well. Yeah, that's it. Thank you and goodbye.